Radha, Smelters always endeavored to provide the best quality steel products to the construction industry. To better serve the construction industry of South India, we at Radha Smelters have increased our production capacity from 0.2 million per annum to 0.4 million tons per annum. Herein I would like to proudly state that Radha Smelters is the first plant in South India to install and commission ladle refining furnace in an induction-based steel manufacturing plant to make the high-quality 550D grade TMT bars.
We launched Radha Relationship Awards to commemorate and celebrate the efforts of our stakeholders. Since the launch of RRR, we have had the pleasure of rewarding over hundreds of dealers and distributors and channel partners of ours for their relentless efforts and exceptional performance. We hope to continue and enhance this program as it truly personifies symbiotic growth.
I am happy that today they are launching Telangana's first unmatched and voluntary 550D TMT steel plant using LRF technology. This quality and grade of TMT is used in important sectors like dams, bridges, railways and high-rise construction, buildings, etc. Such technologies acquired only by few manufacturers in the country. I am told that this industry has made an investment of 100 crores for last 18 months to upgrade the technology of 550D TMT steel using LRF technology at Medak, Telangana.
I've endorsed brands that were global, I endorsed brands that were national, but there is a pride associated with Radha from the day we started because it's so close to home. I remember both Saraf and Suman when they first met me in 2017, and it's beautiful the growth that it's seen. It's a company that's 60 years old now, and it's clear that there's a whole new generation that's out here to move this forward. So I was here at the launch of Radha 550 TMT in 2017. That's what I was first here for, and now there is, here we have the 550D LRF. It's, Radha as a company has always been passionately driving quality and hard work and discipline within their organization, within their family, and I'm proud that I've been privy to a little bit of that. As much as they've built a great organization inside, they've built a great family that drives us forward. They've always showed utmost love and relation to every single one that they've traded with or done business with. Most times, more than endorsing the brand, I've always been working with bringing relationships like this together. So, a huge honor, sir, and thank you for continuing to have me as a brand ambassador. And congratulations to all the Radha family. It seems like it's ever growing, and I wish them all the very best. Thank you.